The attack was aimed at French and Malian soldiers stationed near the airport in Gao. Residents reported hearing a heavy explosion. Bintu Yatara was in her house when she heard the loud bang.
The other day when cooking, we had something fall and there was lots of dust. We had no idea what it was, but ran to seek refuge in the bedroom. Later people came to tell us to leave the house.
Although there were no casualties, residents remain fearful.
Ever since, my family is scared. We don't know what to do anymore.
French army helicopters were dispatched to chase the militants, and according to security officials, the situation had been brought under control. The attack is just the latest to hit Mali's north in recent weeks by armed groups linked to Al-Qaeda, which had occupied the vast desert north for 9 months. And a heavy attack from French forces in the Malian army in the cities of Gao, Timbuktu and Kidal, the Islamists retreated into the desert and the mountains. But the fragile peace did not last. In September, the militants resumed their deadly insurgency, killing a dozen civilians and UN peacekeepers across the north in 3 weeks. Jihadists wounded 2 civilians and killed a Malian soldier when they blew up a bridge and fired rockets on Gao in October.
Since the attack in October, the Malian army and the security forces have been on high alert. We have led several missions to find militants, and with the help of the residents, we have been able to find rockets that were not fired.
The troubled West African nation and its allies launched Operation Hydra in late October after being taken aback by an upsurge in violence just days after 2 Chadian UN peacekeepers and a civilian were killed in the northern town of Tessalit. Mwongeli, CCTV.